Hello everybody, welcome back. Thanks for joining me today for part 2 in the Triptych series that I am doing right now. So last time we did a great big huge color explosion in the middle. This time I'm going to start doing the two end pieces here. So I'm going to do a split color base in the blue and white and then use that same color palette for my colors in the middle. Make sure you get your sides at this point. It makes it so much easier in the end to not have to go back and do so many touch-ups when it's dry if you've already got your canvas either pre-painted or you make sure at least that your sides are nice and covered.
You see her. ABC